Hello, my name is Angela from Angela Simpson Functional Medicine Physiotherapy. And today I'd like to talk to you about skin issues. You may find that you have acne, and maybe you are at a stage in your life where you're thinking that that should have gone away. Maybe you're between the ages of 35 and 55, and you feel like you should have gone through that as a teenager or in your early 20s, and you should be done with it. And maybe you're noticing that the acne is coming and going. Maybe you would associate it with different timing of your cycles, or maybe it's there more persistently. And if you have had it on and off for years, you've probably already tried some different treatment strategies. Maybe you've had some prescription creams or even pill form of medication from your doctor to try and help you manage the symptoms. And sometimes this will work, and sometimes it'll work short term. Or if you are using it over the long term, you will probably have some symptom management. The problem with this is sometimes it can start to affect other systems in your body. Sometimes it really isn't that favorable on several different areas of your body, and there are side effects if it's used over the long term. And it's really important to figure out, where are these skin issues coming from? And most commonly, the skin is a reflection of what's going on the inside of our bodies. Now, often women will think that because it seems to flare up at different times in their cycle, month to month, that it's hormonal. And although there might be some truth to this, often there is a reason that the hormones are out of balance and there is an expression coming out through the skin. And often this has to do with poor detoxification. And detoxification in our body happens in several different ways. It does actually happen through our liver as well as through our gut, and some of it does happen through our skin. And so often when it is happening through our skin in a negative way, such as formation of acne, or sometimes people even have other bumps or just red spots on their face or other parts of their body, it is a sign that your body is attempting to detox, but it's not doing it in an efficient and proper way. And so I always like to think, where is it coming from? Is it coming from things that you're eating that are triggering your gut to be inflamed, that's actually affecting your hormone and your detoxification process? Is there something in the liver genetically that's not actually allowing you to detox efficiently? Or potentially, are you not detoxing efficiently, maybe because you're not exercising enough or properly, or in the zone where you're actually getting a consistent sweat, which helps with the detoxification process on a daily basis. So these are some of the potential causes, and it does help to narrow down and figure out how to treat and actually get on top of the root cause of the condition. And if you have been managing this for a long time, it might be affecting you in several different ways in your life. Maybe you're having to buy different products, different makeups and things like that to cover up some of the areas that you think are unfavorable to look at. It might be getting quite costly for you. As well, sometimes certain products, even though they will cover up what doesn't look favorable, believe it or not, it can actually also have a toxic burden on your body, and it might be slowing down your detoxification pathways even further, which is often typically one of the root causes of the problem in the first place. As well, you might be noticing it's affecting certain social activities. Maybe you're avoiding certain things or at certain times of day because you don't want people to see your skin. And fast forward 5-10 years from now, if you are still dealing with this, it is a sign that other systems in your body are out of balance. So you're more likely to be prone to other disease in the future. Poor detoxification can definitely lead to different hormonal conditions. I mean, you can even actually develop things such as cancers, female cancers down the road, if you're not detoxifying your hormonal system correctly. And so it's just important to be thinking, what can I do now? And what can I do to actually get to the root cause and not just cover up symptoms anymore? How is it affecting my body, what I'm doing now? And how can I actually turn it around so that I don't have problems further down the road that are more serious? And if you want some answers to this, if you're looking for a way to figure out how I can help you, please feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to have a free 45-minute consult with you to talk about this. And you can reach me at my website, www.angelasimpsonfunctionalmedicine.ca.